Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook inbox is constantly flooded with spam, phishing emails, and random junk, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to delete Outlook junk mail quickly, efficiently, and safely, so your inbox stays clean and secure. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how to stop junk from showing up again. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head straight to the official Outlook login page. That's outlook.com. This ensures you're signing in securely and not on a fake or phishing site. Always double check the URL before you type your details. Next, sign in with your Outlook email and password. If you've got two-factor authentication turned on, awesome. That extra step keeps your account safe. Remember, never save your credentials on public or shared computers. Once you're in, click on Outlook Mail and look at the left sidebar. You'll see a folder named Junk Email. This is where Outlook automatically stores suspicious or unwanted messages. Now, go through that folder. Check the boxes next to the emails you don't need. If you're unsure about a sender, click on it to preview before deleting, just to make sure it's not something important that got flagged by mistake. Once you've selected everything you want gone, click the trash bin icon. Those messages will move to the deleted items folder, but remember, they're not permanently deleted yet. To free up space and fully remove those emails, go to deleted items and click empty folder. And here's a pro tip, head to settings, junk email to customize your spam filters. You can add safe senders so important messages don't get caught, or block certain addresses to stop recurring spam. And that's it. Your Outlook inbox is now clean and secure. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.